Hello, long như sa. Như bây giờ Canada rồi nè. Tại Canada như Costco. Oh, my God, Costco in Canada, how it looks like. That's the hour. Hello, long như sa. Thank you for taking me to Costco. Over there is tire sale. Cod, we have cod. And they also have pharmacy and lots of cod. Okay, let's go in. Let me check. A lot of on sale. Discount. Thank you. Look, all this delicious stuff. And then the TV. Not too much TV in this Costco. Electrical plant. All this goodie. Oh, Costco bag. They do have Costco bag. $49. Yeah. Nó nó chạy như ở Nhật Bản. On sale, $169. Fan. The whole backpack. Oh, you know what? Back to school. That's why they have backpack and lots of snacks and some of lunchbox. Lunchbox on sale. This is something flip. Lot of snacks. Ôi trời nhiều, $179 on sale. Oh, on this side they have cell phone. Milk. It does body good. And this side look like this. I don't know what's this for, but it's colorful, so we have to come and take a look. Oh, on sale. Oh, for lunch box. Is that for lunch? It's food. Oh, food jar. They're cute too. Right. Oh, look at all the pot. Let's look at some of the pot. It's heavy, so it's stable. Blanket is also on sale too. Pillow. Oh, I like this kind of pillow. It's like I think I have one at home myself. I'm not sure if they were there or not. Blanket, towel, strips.
It just gets overwhelming when there's so many cars.
Gap.
There's not even one.
What? Costco have Gap? It's on sale too. This one no sale. No sale. What up? Oh, not bad. Anything that is under $10. Oh, this is tummy healthy yours. But it's like $19. I like V-neck. This is like a sport bag. And then over here have a lady. Oh, exercise stuff. Oh, a lot of on sale. The dress over there on sale, $22. This is nice too. 16. Oh, woman. Something look like this is pajama, but it's not. Oh, this is for the little girl, huh? Little girl. I heard my sister-in-law buy. I heard a pair. On sale, Levi t-shirts, $4 off. Take a look, what? Take a look. Oh, it's 3 pieces too. It's nice. Spider-Man. Anything you see you like, young lady?
Hi. Hey, good morning.
Let's take a look what you like. You have a good eye.
I do have one.
I like your
it.
fashion.
Let's go first.
Go, I don't know which way.
Go
Go over there. Short. custard. Oh, these are pretty. They're pretty.
Swimming wala.
Oh, that's not too hot right now, especially this
No, to
eating.
take home with you.
Take home, take home. How cold? $9? $10?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good deal. That's beautiful.
giàu nhé, có chú Hà đó.
Yeah, beautiful.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
thank
it's
you,
so
huh?
comfortable. Yeah.
Yeah, you put on. Let me see. So
You
they
need
could be
call
my
now,
model.
if
I would take blue. I would take two colors.
You took how far, but maybe. Okay. Oh, that's my first. Oh,
This is $19 on sale. I think I will get one because I actually. Oh, $14. This isn't bad. Oh, you look good. You should buy.
But they
Because
don't
it's
have
only
a size
$10. Get it. I like it. Pretty. Yeah, it's light and it's warm.
Not very super warm, but just.
Some jean. Oh, this jean have designs. Pretty design. Over here have some hat for Sephora. And look at their bag, so cute, right? This is cute. What kind of bag are those? Oh, I did it.
Oh, that's a good part.
Năm này lót cho mấy bằng cái hố phải nhỉ? Oh, and then they have socks.
That's amazing.
And there's some more spot brown over there. So this section, I guess, is the guy section that I'm moving along to the shoe. Sandal for $9. I mean $10 sandal. Oh my God. Is it comfortable? Oh, it feels comfortable. And then they have this pair of sandals. Because right now it's summertime, so a lot of sandals come out. And here are the size. More shoe over here. And then here's the shoes. And then here's the guy wear under and wear inside. Curry price, $24. Over here have some baby clothes. So this pretty much men's section, I believe. Now I'm gonna get out to the clothes section, back to the other stuff. I am super lazy. I'm not going to walk all the way there. Matches. Look at the sun under the light. Oh, the light is pretty. Pretty. It's modern. Over here they have some toilet. Oh, they're not cheap too. Here they have battery. Oh, they also put car battery right here. I think it's for car. Oh, it cannot be for car, huh? Because it's too cheap the price. Here, I don't know what they have. And here, I don't know what they have. Oh, what is that for? Oh, swimming. Here. Camping stuff, chair, sofa. The sofa is so big, the whole family can actually sleep there. Right here. Oh, beautiful light. Not sure what is this. Oh, dog food. Oh, it's on sale too, but I cannot carry home. I would love to buy for my dog. Oh yeah, peanut. My dog like peanut butter. Some bread. I believe this Costco is more than our home back in Costco. Bakery, cookie, this. $6.99. This is my favorite. Oh, they baked it a little bigger than that one. More heavy too. Ooh, cinnamon smells so good. And the chocolate. Look at this, so delicious. Cookie and chocolate. This one is mixed. Chocolate rubber cookie pad. Lemon berry. Some pie. Some bagel.
Ở trên cảnh nhiều thịt liền.
Let's see. Oh, this looks healthy. Lots of nut. Super healthy. A lot of sea, a lot of nut. Oh my goodness, guys. It's so colorful. So colorful. And look at this sweet. Oh, they have this. I don't know if our Costco have this one or not. Mini bite brownie. Yeah, I don't see the. Oh, I never see this one before. What is this? Lots of bread over there. Yes. My family is calling me. They want to go. I don't know why they're in a rush. Oh, I never see a green cake before. What kind of green cake is this? Key lamb. Oh, so pretty. So pretty. Some meat. Beef. Lamb, salmon, other fish, oh, fresh oyster. This is cheap because they already clean it. Clams, whoa, they organized so nicely. $37 shrimps. Wow. Pork. And then beef. Chicken. Right here some fruit. Produce. The paper towel. All the way over there. Soda. Water. She sells something, I don't know what is it. Watermelon. Plant. And then don't know what is this. Over here they have, what's that, keto? No bread. Over here, what do they have? Okay, we come to the flower. God, you gotta buy it and go. Lotions, mouthwash. Okay, we're gonna line up, and I guess they're doing sale checkout. And then I'm gonna order some food court over there.
Okay.
So what are you buying?
You're great.
Me and my sister try to mess. We come Costco just to buy clothes. Well, it's already 200 something.
Oh my goodness.
Credit $5.
$19.99. Credit $5.
Costco food court. The ice cream is quite expensive. But I like this one. They have fish, chicken and fish. So we at the crab food. This is called poutine. It comes with potato fry, mashed potato sauce, and I'm not sure what's this one. Cheese. It look like cheese. Yes. Let's try. Oh wow, this is real good. Costco hot dog is a little bit different color from back home, but let me see. Tastes a little bit different,
So why did they stop selling this?
but I still like it. Thank you. Bye bye for watching. Thank you.